Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video I will teach you how to add a website link in Instagram profile. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to your Instagram account or Instagram application in your mobile phone. Okay, click Instagram application. In Instagram application, click the profile on the lower right side on your screen. Okay guys, in your profile, click the edit profile. Okay guys, now you can add a website on your Instagram profile. So okay, right on this portion. So okay guys, after you add a link or add website link in your profile, so click the check on the upper right side on your screen to save the website link in your profile. Okay guys, now you have a website link in your profile in your Instagram account. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.